आइए दोस्तों करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज मिस्टर कासम runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. So we don't know how many pots Mr. Kassam makes on daily basis. So we are going to consider Mr. Kassam makes X pots per day. Okay, X pots. Now, production cost of each pot is 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he made in one day. So this is the production cost of one pot. Okay, if production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, then you have to find the cost of each pot and the number of pots he makes per day. So my dear students, you read the question 2 to 3 times for better understanding. So first we'll start the solution. Suppose Mr. Kassam makes X pots per day. Okay, suppose Mr. Kassam makes X pots per day. Okay, he makes certain number of pots on daily basis. We don't know, so we are going to consider Mr. Kassam makes X pots per day. Now we are going to find out the production cost of each pot. So production cost of each pot. Okay, what will be the production cost of each pot? Production cost of each pot is 40 more than means plus 40 more than is plus 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he made in one day. 10 times the total number of pots, that is X. Okay, production cost of each pot is 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he made in one day. So how many pots he makes per day? X pots. So you will write production cost of each pot is equal to 10 multiplied by X plus 40. Okay, if production cost of all pots, okay, production cost of all pots is equal to 600. Okay, what is given? Production cost of all pots. Now how will find the production cost of all pots? Okay, so he makes X pots per day, so X pot multiply by production cost of each pot, that is X plus 10X plus 40 and this is equal to 600. अच्छे से समझ लो इस बात को कि प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट दिया है, टोटल प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट दिया है 600, तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे कितना पॉट्स ही मेक्स X पॉट्स पर डे? मान लीजिए X नंबर ऑफ पॉट्स ही मेक्स पर डे और एक पॉट की जो कीमत है वो कितनी है? 10X plus 40. So this is the number of pots multiplied by cost of each pot. Okay, so number of pots multiplied by production cost of each pot and this is equal to 600. Okay, so number of pots he made X and production cost of each pot is what? 10X plus 40 and this is equal to 600. Now we will frame the quadratic equation by solving this equation. So you will get 10x square plus 40x transfer this to left hand side, minus 600, and this equal to 0. Now each term of this quadratic equation are divisible by 10, so divide throughout by 10. So you will get 10x square divided by 10 plus 40x divided by 10 minus 600 divided by 10 is equal to 0. So from here you will get x square plus 4x minus 60, this is equal to 0. Because this 10 will cancel out with this 10. 10 ones are 10, or 1 0 will cancel out with 1 0. This 1 0 is cancelled out with this 1 0. Now you will get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we will find the factors. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. The constant is minus 60, so multiply. So you will get what? Minus 60. So take any two numbers whose multiplication is minus 60 and subtraction is 4. So 10 6 are 60 and 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. 10 6 are 60, 10 minus 6 is 4. So this 10 is plus and this 6 is minus. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 10 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 60. So now you will write x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60, this is equal to 0. We are writing instead of 4x plus 10x minus 4x. Okay. Now we will make two pairs. From the first pair you will take x as a common, so you will get x plus 10, and from the second pair you will take minus 6 as a common, you will get x plus 10. 6 10 are 60, this is equal to 0. Now we will take x plus 10 as a common, and the next bracket will get x minus 6, this is equal to 0. So either you write first bracket is equal to 0 or second bracket is equal to 0. So if x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to, we will get minus 10 or x is equal to plus 6. So what is x? X is number of pots per day. Mr. Kasam makes x number of pots per day. So we are not going to consider x is equal to minus 10 because the pots cannot be negative. Okay. So we are going to consider x is equal to 6. So Mr. Kasam makes 6 pots per day. First answer. Now we'll write the answer. First answer will be what? Mr. Kasam makes 6 pots per day, or daily basis, or per day. Now second is what? You have to find out the production cost of each pot. So second, production cost is equal to 10x plus 40. Okay. What is the production cost of each pot? That is 10x plus 40. Now we put the value of x is 6. So you will get 10 multiplied by 6 plus 40. Okay. 10 multiplied by 6. Value of x is 6. So you will get 60 plus 40, and this is equal to 100. So what is the production cost of each pot? So production cost of each pot is rupees 100. Okay. So this is the answer of 6th question of practice set 2.6. First, Mr. Kasam makes 6 pots per day and production cost of each pot is equal to what? Rupees 100. So ऐसे करना था क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 of practice set 2.6.